Hey guys, today I will show you how to permanently fix mouse not working in GTA San Andreas, as you can see on the screen. So let's start. First, go to your Grand Theft Auto San Andreas folder, wherever it is. Click on GTA SA, then right-click on it. Click on Send to, and click Desktop, Create Shortcut. Go to your desktop and click the GTA San Andreas shortcut, then right-click it. Go to Properties. Copy this text from the description or the pinned comment. Now go to Target option and paste this text in the beginning without removing any text. Click on Apply and OK. Again, right-click the GTA San Andreas file and go to Properties. Click on Change icon and then click on Browse. Go to your GTA San Andreas folder and select GTA SA. Click OK, and then again click Apply and OK. Open your GTA San Andreas game. Now you can see the mouse is working perfectly. If the mouse does not work, double tap ESC, it should work. Like and subscribe.